Certain foods satisfy our senses, appeal to our minds, and enrich our souls. Though simple, the dish that I'm going to be making today means all this to me and more. So let's get started with it. I'm going to turn on the flame and put in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I like to use coconut oil for its coconutty flavor, but you could use any other vegetable oil as well. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of urad dal and 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds start to pop and crackle and the dal turns golden brown, I'm going to put in a few curry leaves, half a teaspoon of yellow Asafoetida powder or heng, 2 teaspoons salt or to taste. Give it a quick stir. I'm going to put in one of my favorite ingredients, freshly grated coconut. I simply love coconut and use it whenever a recipe calls for it. Now I'm going to stir this on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. The trick is to roast this on low heat until the coconut starts to release its nutty flavor. The coconut is now nicely roasted. The curry leaves are nice and crisp, and now is the perfect time to put in the rice. 300 grams of white basmati rice that has been soaked in water for about 30 minutes, drained and then cooked with about 2/4 to 2.5 cups of water. This is a very old recipe dating back to thousands of years. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. Now I'm going to quickly fry some cashews. I'm putting in a tablespoon of ghee, and once the ghee melts, I'm going to put in some cashews. Then I need to fry them until they are golden brown in color. I'm using cashews here, but you could always substitute the cashews with some peanuts. Cashews are done. Now I'm all set to serve my rice. Now I'm going to scatter these golden brown cashews all over the rice. And there you have it, my coconut rice studded and adorned with golden brown cashews. I love to serve this dish with sundal or usli to make it a complete balanced meal. You can pack it up in a lunchbox, serve it in a dinner party, or even make this your weekday meal. So if you liked watching me make this dish, do not forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe.